Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Tips. I hope that you guys are doing great. So in today's video we are going to make a program and we are going to develop an application in C++ and we are going to create a program that will take two number from the user and it will perform the subtraction operation from on that two numbers that are being taken by the users. So let's get started, and before starting the video I request you guys to please subscribe my YouTube channel's Coding Tips and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel Coding Tips. So let's get started. So first you need to open your compiler that are using for the purpose of the coding. I am using the dev C++, so I am going to open dev C++. I have opened my compiler, and after opening the compiler you will need to create a new source file. In the source file you need to write some header files first, hash include iostream, then after that hash include conio.h, then using namespace std, after that int main. This is our main function we are using. Then you can go with the get ch. So we have prepared a complete program structure, and in the program structure now we are going to code something. So the scenario of our program is that we need to take two number from the user and then we need to just implement the subtraction operation on those number which are being taken from the users. So the first thing is that the number that will be entered by the user, they might be a non-decimal number or they might be a decimal number. So yes, so we need to tell the program that what kind of data type we are going to assign to those numbers. So we know that the numbers, the subtraction operation can be performed on decimal as well as on non-decimal number both. So we need to assign the data type float for that purpose, because when we know that the number can be decimal or the number can be non-decimal, so we have to go with the float. So float number 1 and number 2, these are two variables, and the third variable is subtraction, and I have shortened the name of that variable subtraction with sub. Now I am going to console the statement that please enter first number. So we can take the first number from the user with a pair of exertion operators. So cout please enter first number. So in this way, when I output this statement please enter first number, it will let the user to enter the first number and I will take that number into the variable number 1. After that I will output the statement that cout please enter second number. So after that this one, it will let the user to enter the number 2, in number 2. Now I am going to perform the subtraction operation on both number. So I will write sub is equal to number 1 minus number 2, and the subtraction, the result that will be obtained from the subtraction operation will be saved on the variable sub. Now I am going to output the value of subtraction. So cout the subtraction of number 1 and number 2 is sub. So the subtraction of number 1 and number 2 is sub. Now I am going to write this and I am going to save like this. Now you will see, please enter first number. The first number is 88. First I will go with the non-decimal number, 88 and 66. So subtraction of 88 and 66 is 22. After that I'm going to rewrite the number with 8.4 and 3.2, so 5.2. So in this way we can subtract both numbers, and we can apply the operation on decimal number as well as on non-decimal number. So that's all from today's video. I hope that you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do subscribe my YouTube channel Coding Tips, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.